And you cannot beat me, no never. Ain't got to explain why I'm better.
Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my Play by Sephora unboxing. I don't only have one, I have two. I have the one for May and June. Sorry guys, you know I've been really busy, so I haven't had a chance to record them. So what I said I was gonna do is record them both today, and then we both can see what I got, right? And now I'm gonna promise you guys that I will be up on this. I'm getting everything together. As you know, we're starting a business. It takes a lot of time, but I'm willing to put in the work and then still record for you guys, because a girl loves to unbox Sephora everything. Like, the play boxes are my favorite, so I am going to continue to unbox these. So we're going to go ahead with May's first, and then we're going to get June's. So you have 2 for 1. And then I have a special unboxing and some secret tips for you guys. Yay! And I'll save that for last. Let's get into this Play by Sephora. It is for the month of May. Love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play Sephora at the bottom. Yeah. So this is what comes this for the month of May. And yes, and I love the 50 points insider beauty points. And I know I'm late with it, but they'll still let me use it, right? I don't know. I'll go there and see. But here it is. I can use all the points I can get, as much beauty stuff as your girl buy, right? So I'll get in there and talk to them and see what they can work out for me. They may honor it, right? And then, yeah, so it actually gives you some tips. So beauty goes then and now, and it tells you about skincare, then mass minerals, now mass minerals, and it just gives you a whole breakdown of what they use then and then what you should use now. So here it is. Oh, it's cute too. I love the jean material. Let's pull everything out, and it's normally 6 products. And what is really going on though? Like, yeah, it came out the bag just like this. You know, whenever it comes out the bag, I'm gonna show it. It was like really open, you guys. So yeah. And I'm like smelling it because it was like they didn't top it. Like, what is that? Okay, Sephora. This is by Sephora, Purifying and Mattifying Mud Mask. So here it is. And it was open, as you can see, and that's what the mask look like inside there. And it's hard. Okay, it comes off a little bit there. Alright, so that's the mask. It smells good though. Clarifies your skin, and it has zinc and copper in it. Alright, next item. Let's go with the Bare Minerals. And this is the Fine Finish. This is a setting powder. Okay. So this is basically what that looks like. And let me see on my hand. Okay, and then that's the finish there. Cool. Like setting powder, right? Stand Out Stranded. This is a caviar cream, 10-in-1 complete corrector, leave-in hair protector. Oh cool, this for your hair. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I wanted to kind of put a little, I put a lot on to kind of want to see if it's smooth and if it's not going to lay down your hair, like make it heavy. So it is light. It's lightweight. Yeah, you see that? It's lightweight. It hydrates and softens your hair. I'm going to try that. You know, I love hair strengthening and protections. This is the Professional Pore-Free Primer. And I usually use mattifying, but I can try this one because it's supposed to be free from oil of the pores and control your shine all day. I didn't know that they had the oil control, but yes, I can try this one. Love it. Next. Oh, is the Leading Lash. This is Balsam, and this is an intense, volumizing, separating, and defining your lashes. Adds a lot of drama to your eyes. Yes, look how it separates, and when it's really full like that, I love that. Okay, all right, now we could try that, and it'll lift, and it gives you a lot of volume. So who doesn't love a volume lifting and defining mascara. I mean, it just makes complete your look, right? This is a cologne. This card here, and you see all of the, looks like a scene and fruits and everything. And so I will be passing this one along to my son. And it smells fruity, but it's not strong. You know, some of the mint cologne is very strong. So yeah, this one will go to him. This one, I think this one was pretty good. I will give this one a 7. They do mix it up and do colognes, which is great. They're not all perfumes, so they kind of mix it up. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about trying a few of these. This mascara, the Professional, you know, I like the oil control. So yes, for that one. The Bare Minerals, I heard their products were good and I haven't tried too many. But this is the setting powder and I can't wait to try these. And then the cologne for my son, in which he been asking for cologne, so he got his first one. So I will be giving him that one. When I rate that one a 7. I think it was pretty good. And they always put products in for you to try that you love. I don't think I got one that I did not like a majority of the product. June's. Now, when I got home that day from June, the one I received for June's, it was raining, so the box is a little, yeah. But hopefully it didn't get to the product. So let's see. Here is June's, and then this one is June's No Filter Photo Booth. Rockin' a Wave Beach. So this is more of a beachy thing, and yay. Here is the 50 insider points, which I can go ahead and use that. And then Rockin' a Wave Beauty on Boardwalk. So they got the theme of carnival theme there. Here it is, this love tips and tricks and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play by Sephora. And here is the bag. Okay, so for this month it's hot, 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 which it does get hot in the June. So this is the main attraction. This is in black. This is Lancome. And this is a mascara in black. And I love Lancome's mascara. So let's try and see the bristles. Oh, okay. So that is really full there. You see that? And they spread it apart so they can lift your lashes, which is pretty good. So they improve your natural lashes and it helps it stand out. All right, here we go with this is Ready Set Silk. This is Tackums. This is Face Primer. Filter Finish Protection Primer. Okay. Here, this is the container here. And this is the silk canvas. Okay, so it's going to reduce your look of pores. And it's creamy. So yeah, it's really creamy. All right, yay. So there we go. And it says Ready Set Silk. So it's supposed to go on. It goes on really, really silky. So love that. Living Proof Frizz Styling Cream. Okay, so they're giving a lot of styling cream now. Apply to your roots and the end of your hair. And it's for your on damp hair. So a frizz taming style cream that blocks moisture in the air. So this moisturizes your hair so you won't get any frizz. You see how they got the frizz crossed out? No frizz. This Melt Matte Too Faced Liquid Matte Lipstick. Okay, and I love that right in the color, and that gold is gorgeous. And this is Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in color Queen Bee. Yep, and it's color Queen Bee, and that is beautiful. And let's go ahead and swatch it and see. That is a pretty color. Gorgeous. Yes, look at that. It's in the pink family. Okay, so far so good. All right, next up is Clinique. Who haven't heard of Clinique, even if you haven't tried it? So this is Clean Like a Dream. A gentle foam that removes makeup without tugging. Okay, so take the day away. Makeup remover from lids, lashes, lips, and all over your face. So this is makeup remover cleaner from Clinique. All right, I can't wait to try this. Who doesn't like makeup remover? You got to clean your skin up under this makeup you wear. So yes, go ahead and remove it all. And it does smell like that. I mean, girl, it looks like it's like half used though, or spilled out. Yeah, it looked like it just spilled out. So let's spray a little bit and see if we like it. This is what it says inside. Yes, and it's all of that. And then it says style, female and male fragrance. So they kind of put it for both, but it smells more to me like a male. So this one will go on to my son. This is like one of those, a little strong aroma that really picks up. It's like that woody smell. Ooh. Yeah, it's more like a wood, like they said here, a Woodstock festival. Yeah, it's more of a full earthy scent. Originality Music Festival, Woodstock, 1968. Okay. So yeah, they're doing more since this unisex and for on the male side for June and May. This one was pretty good. The Clinique Makeup Remover. The Too Faced Melt. Yes. The Primer, hun. Who can't live without primer? Mascara. Everybody can go with for girls with mascara, especially Lancome, which is a great brand. And this styling cream. Yes. It helps tame your hair, people. So I rate this one an 8. It was pretty good this month for June. Yeah, so for the surprise item that I have here. So I received this in the mail. And I didn't know what it was. So I'm like, what is this? You guys, I was excited for seeing this. And so I received, this is the Skin Caviar Essence in Foundation infused with caviar water. And this is from this company, which is La Prairie. 4 foundations to try here. And then it's the cushion one. So it's like, it's not like that hard one, and it is. So yes, and I'm going to pull it out so you guys can see it close up. And so this one is Satin Nude. This one down here is Honey Beige. Here is Porcelain Blush. And this is Cream Peachy. So yes, to share this, what I received from them. And it's from Try It. So it says time to try it. We think you'll love this product as much as we discover it. And if you have equal beauty obsessed friends, invite them. So I want to invite all of you to go subscribe and get free product. Link it below. It says try it .conest.com. And there it is. And I'll link it and then down below. So go try it. I mean, all you doing is receiving free things. Share that with you as well. Because I come home and I'm like, what is that? And yay, it's stuff to try out. Quick update. I'm going to link below information for my store. I do sell, create and sell bath and beauty products. So I come out with new products all the time. I am going to come and do a nice video for you guys at an event coming up. I'm getting ready for that one. And I'm preparing everything and getting everything up. Yes, you can purchase now, which I will, you know, I'm selling them as we speak. But the big one is coming in August. You can look, contact me directly. And you can link to my Etsy page. Also, go follow me on my social media. I do a product of the week to know what I'm loving, what products am I using the most that week, which you know I got a lot of products. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right down there, the red button. Go over and click that notification button because I have exciting things coming. I have so much that I'm doing. I thinking about going some kind of blogging with, you know, my events coming up and stuff, so you can kind of get a little bit more into my world. So those things will be coming up. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
You cannot beat me, no never. Ain't got to explain why I'm better. Your man is a dog. He chased my kid.